I have my eye on you. I'm not looking down on you. Things may be looking up, but I've got my eye on you. And don't you forget it. And you know, there's something someone wants to tell you. Hello there, you! Oh yeah, the video is out there. You want a match? You want a match? Yeah, you flagged me openly. You flagged me. And then you want a match? How dare you? How dare you? I want to move on. You want a match? You want a match? Tort wants to match. Koo wants to match. But there would have to be a whole lot of feedback demanding this match. And if there was a match, it would have to be random. Really? Well, I guess I would throw some random in there. Yeah, there was a match. But you flagged me twice in the last week or two. And then there's last year, which you didn't answer. Talking about, it's your opinion that if you looked in the mirror, blah, 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 blah. Well, that doesn't cut it. You need to explain yourself. You will never see a match. Oh, no. There's no way, after you flagged me with your alt accounts, LP, you see, the same reason I made a video last year on the Brett Widger account. It's the same thing that gave it away this year. I guess you didn't figure it out yet. You didn't figure it out yet. Nope. You didn't figure it out yet. The clues are everywhere. Oh, maybe someone set you up. But there's some things you can't change. Ironic. You flagged the change video. You flagged a match video? And that was supposed to give you the match that would give you closure. Well, it's not gonna happen. You couldn't leave it alone. How does that phrase go? Class dismissed.